Enjoy it, Marv. You earned it. Why are you in my apartment, Alan?
You don't answer your phone. How you been, Sam?
Oh, you know, when I was 12, I really appreciated the surrogate father thing, but come on, Alan. I got it all under control now.
Oh, clearly.
Well, what is it? You want to help me with my homework, like old times? Have a catch?
You know, you got a pretty nice view here. Heard you did a triple axle off of her a few hours ago. Rough landing, huh?
Could have been worse.
I also thought your message to the board was very clever.
Did you like that?
Huh?
That's Marv's idea. Alan, are we really gonna do this again? Do I really look like I'm ready to run a Fortune 500 company?
No. And truthfully, the company's pretty happy with where you are, too.
Not bad.
See, that way they can just keep doing whatever they want. You know, I guess what I find curious is the crazy charities, the annual prank on the company. You sure have an interesting way of being disinterested, Sam.
Why are you here, Alan?
I was paged last night.
Oh, man, still rocking the pager. Good for you.
Yeah, your dad once told me I had to sleep with it. I still do. Page came from your dad's office at the arcade. So? That number's been disconnected for 20 years. Sam, 2 nights before he disappeared, he came to my house. I've cracked it, he kept saying. Now, he was talking about genetic algorithms, quantum teleportation. He said he was about to change everything. Science, medicine, religion. He wouldn't have left that, Sam. He wouldn't have left you.
You're the only one who still believes that. He's either dead or chilling in Costa Rica. Probably both. I'm sorry. I'm tired. I smell like jail. Let's just reconvene in another couple of years, huh? What do you say?
Here. These are the keys to the arcade. I haven't gone over there yet. I thought you should be the one.
Alan, you're acting like I'm gonna find him sitting there working. Just... Hey, kiddo. Lost track of time.
Wouldn't that be something?